Alright guys, my new fuel pump just came in for my motorcycle here, so I'm going to swap out the fuel pump and go from there. I do need to put my pieces back on before I do all of that. I left them over there sitting in the sun for days. By the way, today is Friday, so I think they've been sitting over there for like 2 or 3 days just baking in the sun, so they should be nice and cured. But I did my handlebar ends here, and then I did the caps. Oh, let's just show you guys here the little caps for the fork tubes. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw those back on before I go any further, because I don't want to end up misplacing any of my little screws here. Yeah, see, I got 3 little, I'm missing a screw. Whoa. Yeah, see, that's why I want to go ahead and do it, so this doesn't happen. But let me go ahead and get these put back on, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we got these ends put on here and the little caps put back on. So I ended up rubbing a little bit of paint off, but not that big of a deal. It's not a show bike. I just wanted it to look decent. The last thing I really have to paint is the the tank, and touch up anywhere else that you can see the original paint bleeding through, or any chrome. I'm just not a big chrome person. I know a lot of people like chrome. I don't. But anyway, now what we're going to do is we're going to pull this seat off of here and swap out this fuel pump and go from there. It should fire up after that. Alright guys, pardon me. I just took a hard swig of some nice pink lemonade. It's hot out. Let's see, what time is it? It is 12:46. So let's take a listen to this fuel pump. So, as you just heard, the fuel pump just pumped fuel into the carburetor bowls, and it should be full and ready to start. Yep. Alright, so let me, I guess, just touch one of these together. Let's see here. Need to get this gray wire out of the way, but yeah, this bike should fire up without a problem now. Let's see here. I can hear the fuel in this carb, at least. That's one of the carbs. The other one's underneath the fuel tank. Come on. Jeez. Let's see here. Let me take the choke off. Maybe it's warm enough. Yeah, that's what it was. Come on. Maybe not. Weird that it just doesn't want to start now. Maybe it's because there's not enough power. Let me start my truck. It's amazing how one little tiny motorcycle can kill a battery. Well, I wouldn't say kill a battery, but demands so much power. Oh, darn it. Alright, come on. want to bet this thing fires right up now. Come on. There it is. Oh my God. Come on. Let me get this thing started and I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, after fighting with it, there it is. This positive side kept falling off. So I'm sitting here trying to push the wires together and they're not doing anything. But yeah, let's... Oh yeah. Well, I think I need to adjust my my idle, because taking the choke off should not shut the bike off. Let me do this again. I shouldn't have any issues trying to start it now. Come on. There it is. So yeah, starting it isn't an issue. Starting it with the choke isn't an issue. But I do believe I need to turn my idle up. Okay, maybe I turned it down. It's been a while since I messed with this bike. Let's see here. And of course I just stepped on that again. I'll be right back. Alright guys, there it is, unfortunately with the choke on. Or maybe that's with the choke off. I don't remember which is which. I think that's the choke is off like that, and I think you turn it that way to turn the choke on. I mean, that wouldn't make any sense for it to die with the choke off, unless there was something else wrong with it, and I don't know to have any other issues with this truck, or with this bike. But, yep, I replaced the fuel pump, so it starts. Now I just need to change the solenoid so it can start properly instead of pushing those wires together. Let me see, is this thing going to launch forward, or does the clutch actually work? Nope, of course not. Oh, darn it. Well, more issues to work out before I can actually ride this thing. More to come later, guys. Thanks for watching. Later, Gators.